Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to change alphanumeric password in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, lock your tablet and try to unlock. It will ask your current alphanumeric password. What password you have set, you have to give it here to unlock. Here, in my case, I have just set Mingy 16. Already I have set Mingy 16. That is my alphanumeric password, my current alphanumeric password, and click on the tick mark, it will unlock. Now I would like to change from Mingy 16 to another alphanumeric password. So what I got to do is just follow this video so that you can also learn how to change from one alphanumeric password to another alphanumeric password. Just go to the settings of your tablet here and then go to security here. Click on security and then here select screen lock and type your current alphanumeric password. That is here my case Mingy 16 and click on enter. It will enter into these options. Just click on password here and now you can set new password, that is new alphanumeric password. So I just type my new alphanumeric password as Gerolina 24 and click on next. Again you have to type the same password to verify. Gerolina 24 and click on confirm. Password don't match, so you have to give the correct password. Okay, so again I type Gerolina 24. Password don't match, so in the first time itself I typed wrongly. Okay, so again I am going here and then typing correctly Gerolina 24. Click on next. Gerolina 24. Click on confirm. Yes, it has been set. Now alphanumeric password has been changed from Mingy 16 to Gerolina 24. Now I lock my tablet and try to unlock. Now I got to use my new alphanumeric password, that is Gerolina 24. You can also use your own password. Okay, you should use it. You should not use my password Gerolina 24. Just what you said that, just use it. Yes, it is unlocked. So in this way I have successfully changed from one alphanumeric password to another alphanumeric password in my tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.